Today, on 3rd July, Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid a surprise visit to Leh, Ladakh. His sternest response to China. But here is a poser. Is this enough? Is it too little, too late? Will it not be a good idea, a better idea, if Prime Minister Modi visits Arunachal Pradesh along with Dalai Lama? How about that, folks? I am Rajiv Sharma. Let me elaborate on this. Well, Prime Minister Modi, as we all know, is a past master in the art of converting threats and upsets into opportunities. Particularly when elections are on the horizon. And a very important election is coming up. Bihar in November. And, well, in May, June, that is 6 months later, West Bengal. So, whenever it is election time, it brings out the best in him. But this time he is up against China, not Rahul Gandhi or Pakistan. So, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Congress, for its part, has come up with a very clever response. The Congress leader Manish Tiwari today tweeted a picture of Indira Gandhi visiting Leh in 1971. And there, in that picture, he has given a caption. After this, Pakistan was sliced into two. Let's see what he does. Well, Modi government has been upping its ante vis-a-vis China. And China is not yielding at all. On the contrary, China is indulging in arms and troops build-up along the LAC. China is threatening to go to WTO over the issue of India banning 59 apps, including TikTok, which are having Chinese money in or Chinese partnership in this. Yesterday, Surface Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari had said that China will be kept out of all highway projects. Today, Power Minister R.K. Singh has said that China will be kept out of all power projects. And he said so at Energy Ministers Conference of all states. So, Maharashtra has already taken a via media in cancelling a thousands of crores of rupees worth project which was going to China. So, all this will come slowly and gradually, which is a good thing. But this alone will not hurt China. This may not be a good provocation or a powerful enough provocation. But if Modi were to show red eyes to China, then he must visit Arunachal Pradesh along with Dalai Lama and thereby correct his 2-year-old mistake, wherein he had cut off all government ties with Dalai Lama at the behest of China. Now, Another very important measure which Modi government has taken is the Ministry of Defense has cleared projects worth armament acquisitions programs worth over $5 billion. And Prime Minister Modi spoke to President Putin of Russia, and much of this is coming from Russia. And we must remember the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh recently paid a visit to Russia. Russia is back into the scheme of things of India as a premium arms exporter to India. Though it is another matter that this is not 1971. This is not the Indo-Russian relationship or Indo-Soviet relationship as Russia used to be, Soviet Union at that time. This is not the Indo-Soviet relationship of 1971. Even if India were to buy $100 billion worth armaments from Russia, Russia will not be the same of 1971. Well, that is another topic. Which country will support whom in the event of India-China war? We leave that for the next video. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching me, and I hope that you like it and you subscribe to my channel. Rajiv Kishkinda. Thank you.